Hi guys, welcome back once again. And before I tell you that where I'm going, what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna give you a small history about soya chap. So basically, soya beans or the soya chunks that the vegetarians love it, or even vegan as an option, is that it is very commonly found nowadays in India. But when it comes to UAE, a dish only made out of soya chunk, which is also called as the vegan's chicken, is something that is very very unique. So I'm going to head out to a place where they have brought the taste of streets from India to UAE. This particular restaurant was started in 2018 and it is located in one of the most busiest part of Dubai. So I am so excited to find out how they have created the varieties of soya chunks, and they made beautiful dishes out of it. I've gone through a lot of reviews, and they have invited me to see what kind of dishes they have and what are the different things, all of that. So I have not been to this restaurant. This is going to be absolutely my first time and I'm excited. So without any wait, we are heading already, and as soon as we reach, we'll let you know. Hello everyone, so I'm sitting at Sadakchaap, which is located in the heart of Karama, and this restaurant is 100% pure vegetarian restaurant. So for all the vegetarian lovers out there, this is the place that I was talking about. Now the main thing about this restaurant is that they've brought the street food of India, the culture of that, to this place in Dubai in UAE. Now, when I entered this place, it's so colorful. There's a lot of Bollywood themes around this area, which actually reminds you of the street food there. And I'm so excited I can't wait to try that, what I'm gonna get and see how the street food is brought back to life. So with me today, I have Karan from Sadakchaap. Hello, Karan.
Hello, Karan.
तो मुझे बताइए कैसे शुरू हुआ और कब शुरू हुआ सड़कचाप?
मैम ये बेसिकली दिसंबर में शुरू हुआ था मैम।
अच्छा।
और 2018 में बेसिकली मैम ये सोया चाप का अपना पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट है मैम हम लोग का, जो सोया चाप है मैम। और देखा जाए तो सोया इज फुल प्रोटीन ऑल्सो मैम।
करेक्ट।
सो हम लोग के पास पूरा सोया है, उसका वैरायटी अलग अलग है मैम। ये नहीं कि सबका सिमिलर टेस्ट है मैम।
अच्छा।
हमने जैसे इसमें देखेंगे तो स्टार्टर का भी ऑप्शन है मैम, तो मेन कोर्स का भी ऑप्शन है, बिरयानी है मैम, बर्गर वगैरह है, सोया का भी बर्गर का जो पैटीज बनता है मैम, वो हमने बनाया है मैम। और बहुत सारा ऑप्शन है ऐसे देंगे, जैसे ब्रेकफास्ट का भी ऑप्शन देंगे तो जैसे चिल्ला वगैरह है मैम। हाँ। साबुदाना खिचड़ी वगैरह हो गया। तो
आप मतलब जो ऑथेंटिक जो स्ट्रीट फूड रहता है, ये क्विक बाइट रहता है, वो आपका मतलब स्पेशलिटी है। 100% वेजिटेरियन है, प्योर वेज है। अच्छा, तो कौन है फाउंडर्स, किसका उनका नाम क्या है?
गुड नेम मैम पीयूष बंसल है मैम। ओके, बेसिकली दिल्ली से बिलोंग करते हैं।
अच्छा, तो आपने 2018 में शुरू किया था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग? ओके, ठीक है। सो this is basically what I gave in the intro, that every single dish that they make out of it, or most of the dishes I would say, is made out of soya chaap, which is also a protein, like what Karan is trying to explain us, that they have variety of dishes around soya chaap and they have made it in very very different flavors. तो आपके पास मतलब सिर्फ इंडियन कस्टमर्स आते हैं या कोई और मतलब डिफरेंट लोग भी आते हैं जो ट्राई कर सकते हैं?
बहुत सारे गेस्ट आते हैं, जैसे मिक्स आता है मैम।
अच्छा, अलग अलग आते हैं। आप लोग हर दिन ओपन, आपका टाइमिंग्स क्या है रेस्टोरेंट?
टाइमिंग मैम 9 AM से 12 मैम।
9 to 12?
यस।
ओके, आई मीन 9 to 12। और आप लोग मतलब जोमेटो और यहाँ सब डिलीवरी वगैरह करते हो? ओके, सो दे डिलीवर अक्रॉस ऑल द प्लेटफॉर्म व्हिच इज जोमेटो, तलाबात एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। अभी फिलहाल कोई डिस्काउंट वगैरह चल रहा है आपका?
अभी तो फिलहाल नहीं है। okay. लेकिन हम मतलब जोमेटो में जब ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर में है मैम ऑलरेडी है, डिस्काउंट्स है। ओके, गुड। तो मुझे बताइए आज मुझे क्या ट्राई करने को मिल रहा है? मैम आपको मैं इधर स्टार्टर ट्राई करूंगा पहले। तो मैं जस्ट कॉल इट संयुक्त। तो ये लाइक अ मिक्स प्लेटर है मैम। सबका मतलब 14 पीस आता है मैम।
अच्छा, सबका मतलब टोटल छोटा छोटा जो ट्राई करने। ओके, और
तंदूर में पकता है मैम, तंदूर में कुक होता है मैम।
वेरी नाइस। ओके,
तो ये फ्राई आइटम नहीं, ऑयली वगैरह
नहीं। तो आप लोगों ने मतलब हेल्थ को भी एक कंसर्न रखा हुआ है, और हम सब जानते हैं कि सोया जो है वो काफी हाई प्रोटीन है। तो जो लोग डाइट कर रहे हो, whoever is dieting or was very conscious, you could come and give it a try. Let me try and also give you the review about it. और क्या है
मैम? इससे मैं आपको ये ट्राई करूंगा। देन वी हैव द बेस्ट थाली आल्सो मैम।
अच्छा, वेज थाली। ओके,
ये थाली में मैम आपको 3 पीस स्टार्टर आएगा।
अच्छा,
और एक मेन कोर्स आएगा। एक दाल आएगा मैम।
अच्छा,
राइस आता है मैम, लच्छा पराठा, हलवा, मूंग दाल का हलवा मैम, इट्स फ्रेश और पूरा घी में बनता है मैम ये। और एक लच्छा
हलवा और घी मतलब तो होना ही चाहिए।
और ये लच्छा पराठा, एक लच्छा पराठा आता है मैम, रायता आता है मैम।
और ये सारी जो थाली, ऑल दिस थाली दे हैव मेंशन सिर्फ 20 दिरहम में है।
25
कहाँ है? हाँ 25 में, सॉरी। सो दिस इज लाइक all this thali that he was mentioning, the items inside it, we will see when it is getting served on the table, so how it is going to be. आप मेरे followers को कुछ कहना चाहते हो कि क्यों वो लोग सड़क छाप आए और क्यों आपका फूड ट्राई करें?
क्योंकि मैम ये फुल प्रोटीन है सबसे बेस्ट। तो अभी जो हेल्थ पे देखा जाए तो कोरोना की वजह से मैम, और ये हेल्दी फूड है। सो प्लीज विजिट आवर रेस्टोरेंट, वेलकम।
ओके, तो करण जो अभी डिस्काउंट चल रहा है जोमेटो में, क्या है वो डिस्काउंट्स? अगर आप मेरे फॉलोवर्स
मैम, वो आप जब 50 से अब ऑर्डर करते हैं ना तो उसमें 20% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा।
ओह वेरी नाइस। सो इफ यू गाइस आर गोना ऑर्डर थ्रू जोमेटो, थ्रू ऑनलाइन, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू डू अ टेक अवे, यू डोंट वांट टू कम एंड डाइन इन, there is 20% discount on 50 dirhams above order, correct?
Yes ma'am.
So what's the wait for? Take your phone and dial in, and you can just order online through Zomato. संयुक्त राज, हाँ, जो आपने कहा था कि डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चाप्स ट्राई करने को प्लेटर में। ओके, ग्रीन चटनी, ओके ओके। अभी आप मुझे बताइए क्या क्या चाप है इसमें? गुजराती, ओके, हरियाणवी, राजस्थानी, इटालियन, लखनवी, अमृतसरी। वाओ, आई मीन सारे states, all the states are, I think, except for Italy. Italy is not in India, but definitely how beautiful does this platter look like? So this is Gujarati, Haryanvi, Lucknowi, Italian, and I think Amritsari. I forgot these two, but they are all from different flavors that I could see, and they have been presented so well in a plate. I think if we order that, and I could smell so good, it's like all tandoori smell I'm getting already, so I can't just wait to try it. Very mild flavors for the Gujarati chaap, but it's very different. You can't really make it that it's a chaap, and it has flavors. So for people who are not looking for something very spicy, I think that is a good option, and the flavors of yogurt is also well blended. Let me try the Haryanvi. Very nice. So that one was very light. This is with that green masala, the coriander, and the tandoori fragrance of that. The smoke fragrance also is like bursting. The flavors are actually bursting in my mouth, so it's very nice. Let's try this one. Spicy, and you could taste the chili flavor, the crushed chili flavor. I could also see there is some put on a little bit on the top, but it's very spicy. So people who love spicy, this is something that could go well. Try the Italian one. There's a cheese flavor on that, not Indian at all, but definitely something that, because for people who love cheese and who loves that flavor of non-spicy, I think it can be a good addition. The next one is Lucknowi. Now I have a lot of flavors in my mouth actually. So this one is again a very different flavor. My spicy, not very. And like what Karan was explaining, every chaap that I was trying to taste, everything had a different flavors. Although they were all served in same plate, but they all had different flavors. So kudos to that. Next one I'm trying is ये आपने क्या कहा था? Amritsari. Okay, so this is Amritsari. Again, flavors spicy. I could feel the taste of the garam masala there, and the tandoori flavor is coming, but this is on the spicier side. So for people who love the spicy taste, this is also good. But the good thing about this spice is that it's not hurting your neck, or it's not, killing your taste buds, but it's giving a good flavor. The last one is the Lahori. Nice. Again, flavorful. So इसमें क्या मसाला डाला है आपने? Chicken masala. Okay. So this one is again mild spicy, but it also has got a lot of flavors. There's flavors of, I could see there's ginger, garlic, I think. The flavors of that, and the tandoori flavor is well blended. ये है थाली जो आपने कहा था. So this is the thali, guys, that he was talking about, which is only for 25 dirhams, and I could see some good stuff with good quantity over there. Quality I can just tell after I start eating it. तो बताइए करण क्या क्या है? मूंग दाल हलवा, दाल तड़का,
पंजाबी चाप ग्रेवी, ये थोड़ा मखनी टाइप का होता है.
मखनी, हाँ, ओके ओके. कढ़ाई पनीर, रायता, स्टार्टर, salad, lacha,
जीरा राइस एंड
papad. Okay, so there is one sweet which is the moong dal halwa, and there is this dal tadka. They have made something which is similar to the makhni, which is their chap makhni, and they have got ये क्या बोला था? Paneer, malai paneer. Then the raita and the starter with a good bowl quantity of jeera rice, papad, and lacha paratha. So I'm excited to try it. So I'm gonna try their lacha paratha with the chap makhni that they were talking about. So basically, if you're having, which is dal makhni or a makhni type, everyone who loves that taste of that buttery and creamy flavor, this gives that flavor. Now, the other thing about the lacha paratha, I must tell that it looks like, it's not reheated or brought from, they have kept it for a long time, because I could see that even the way that they have made it, it's like it doesn't have oil in it. There is not too much butter floating on it, and it's very light, although it looks very thick, but it is very soft when you are trying to eat it with the gravy. So the Sadakchaap is really tasty. I must not tell this for vegetarian people, but it gives me a taste of the chicken as well, so it's very nice. Now I'm going to try the paneer. The bit of paneer there. Flavors and flavors and flavors. So this one was very mild. It was not very spicy, but this one is like mild spicy, but yet very flavorful. Even the paneer is very soft. I had told this previously also, the place where I went, that I love how people put their passion and make food for people to eat rather than just tasting and leaving it. And this particular dish also has that. It has outstood, and it is very nice. I am not a paneer person, but I really loved it. I'm going to try the starter. Again, it is tandoori. It doesn't have oil, very mild spice, and a good starter to start with before you dig into the main courses. That's what I liked about, since the time I got the starter and this one, they have made it. So the first starter, when I tried, there were a couple of things which were spicy. So when they understood that I am not used to eating so much of spice, they have actually made it low, which is very nice, that most of the places that they don't accommodate, they just serve the food as it is. But here, if you guys are not a person who eats a lot of spicy food, ensure that before they bring the food in, just tell them to make it a little mild spicy, so they'll bring it as per your taste. Now I'm gonna try the dal. Again, dal with lachha paratha I really love. Mostly people eat dal with rice, but I like it with the paratha and with the roti. Wow, nicely the tadka flavor is there, very mild. The flavorful dal. This dal reminded me of once I've been to India, and on the way we were like traveling far to the village. So we had to stop at a dhaba to have the food. This dal reminded me of that dhaba. It is super tasty. So people who love that dhabe wala dal, this is giving that taste. Very nice. So now I'm gonna have the rice. I'll have some dal with the rice. Usually what happens in jeera rice is that you might have seen when you order a jeera rice with all that, mind that, oh, it's gonna get the same flavor of what you make at home, and it turned out to be there is too much of oil floating in the rice, or the rice is too crispy, or you have to keep on chewing. That's not the case here at all. So the rice is perfectly cooked. There is a good amount of cumin seeds, jeera in it, and it is not too oily because I think they made it in ghee. I'm not sure about it, but yet it's very flavorful and you could eat it very lightly. It feels very light actually. So I have a sweet tooth, and if I be to a restaurant, I never leave that place without a sweet. So for me, I always order thali because I get sweet in it as a part of the thali. So this is one of my favorite sweet, which is moong dal halwa, because we make it at home also and mom makes it very tasty. I'm gonna try. How is this? Oh my goodness. Too good. Too good. Because it's not very sweet. There is ghee in it. There is almonds in it. And it's roasted well. So it gives you that flavor. It actually, completes the palate. And it's flavorful. It's very nice. So even if I think they have moong dal halwa as a separate menu. I'm not sure. But if you're ordering the thali, this is like they must there. So it's very nice. I totally recommend it. Okay, pani puri. Mint. Okay. Hing. Okay. जल जीरा. तो different पानी है, मतलब अब हम try कर सकते हैं. What an amazing concept. I have been eating pani puri all my life, but this is something very new where you get to try all the 5 different flavors of water along with this pani puri. So I'm excited to try and see which will fit my taste. The first one I'm gonna try is the mint, which is generally the traditional one, I guess. The mint flavor, but the good thing about this is that unlike the other places where we eat the actual pani puri, where the mint flavor doesn't come but the spice comes, but this actually gives that little bit of sourness and the mint. Good. Now let me try the next one, which is khatta meetha. I think you guys need to stir a little bit because masala is at the below. I love the flavor of khatta meetha. So I think these two, when you combine together and you put it in a puri, will also give you a good taste. The third one is the jeera.
refreshing taste of the jeera is in there. It's not spicy, it's not sour as well, but you could feel the taste of the jeera. I think good combination. You could mix the khatta meetha along with the jeera and try it. It will also give a good taste. Next one is hing. The hing flavor. I've seen most of the people, when we put a little bit of hing, and if the hing increases in the food, basically you don't like the taste of it. So if people who don't like really the taste of the hing, maybe you might not like it. But if you combine the hing taste along with the mint one, I think it can make a great combination of this flavor. The last one is jaljeera. I love jaljeera taste. So I'm gonna try. Take a small puri. A typical jaljeera taste. Eating pani puri is never easy job, right? So it's always a messier job. For me, the best one that I like among all of them is the khatta meetha, the mint, and the jaljeera. But I think if we can combine 2-3 taste of that together and have it, it can be a great combination also.
So guys, the final review for Sadakchaap. It's amazing. 3 things. First of all, the food, the concept that they brought the street food of India to Dubai. And second thing is that they created a very special menu out of the Soya Chaap. So most of the things in their individual menu, you could see that those things are made out of the Soya Chaap. Third one is the quality of the food. So there was no oil. It was like from the tandoor oven. Even the sweet that they served also was not very sweet. There was not ghee floating out of it. All of this. Apart from all of that, the service, those guys, and even especially Karan, he explained us through the cuisine, and they are very flexible as well. Most of the time when you go and have a thali, the problem that we find is that we can't exchange things out of it. But here, not everything, but if there is something that you wanted to change, like you don't like the dal tadka, you wanted to have the dal makhani, or you wanted to have mild spicy, all of that they can control and they can make it for you. And it is very, very affordable, pocket friendly, budget friendly. During these times when you all are going through catch hold of our expenses, this can be a good place for a family to come, and especially to all the vegetarian lovers. It's not a very well-known thing on the commercial, especially on their Instagram or on their Facebook, but it's my personal review. Give it a try and you would not be disappointed. Let's support together and support small businesses to bring in up. And if you guys have any story or you wanted us to come down and do a review, don't forget to message or DM, and don't forget to leave a like if you liked this video. Till then, take care, goodbye, God bless, and lots of love.